If the Person Database checkbox is checked, the personal database will be displayed in a list box. The list box background is brown. The button below the row of checkboxes is titled Person Database and is colored brown. When you click this button, the program creates the contents of the list box on the Person Database worksheet, activates the Person Database worksheet, and hides the input mask. The worksheet contains 11 columns with person numbers and basic information about each person, such as gender, first and last name, date of birth, address, and notes. The top right header of this worksheet displays Person Database and the number of pages. This worksheet can be filtered. Click cell A1. Select Home, Sort and Filter, and then Filter from the menu bar.